Hi, folks. This is Stan Forrester, your instructor. Some people are having trouble getting to the non-contact ohm meter. Here, let me pull this down just a little bit. I've gone to the website, PhET Colorado, EDU, EN for English, Simulations, Circuit Construction Kit DC. Starting it right now. Okay. So there we go. Here we have our basic intro, but we're going to use the lab version. Okay, and again, I need to bring this over here where we have two different kinds of ammeter right there. There's an ammeter and there's an ammeter. And let's go ahead and let's construct a circuit right here. There's a thing. That's the technical name for a conductor is a thing. I'm going to bring this down here. And here's my light bulb right there. Okay, so let's connect this up right there. And I'll connect these just like this. Okay, so I'm going to bring my current meter over here, and we get 0.9 amps. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this wire here so I can put the contact ohm meter in. And again, I get 0.9 amps. Okay, so you've got both kinds of current meter. That should be enough to get you going. Okay, go.